Hello guys, today I'm cooking healthy food again. This is chicken and vegetable soup with a little bit of rice. Maybe about 3 teaspoonfuls. These ingredients are chicken, rice, little bit of rice, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower there. And that's all I think. I bought them frozen. So I just need to boil them to soften them, and if the rice is already ready, then that's it. You see the chicken there, broccoli, carrots, and the white ones are cauliflowers. They're very cheap. It's about the frozen vegetables 85p, 85 pence. Then the chicken 189, about 8 pieces of them. Then I put some Himalayan salt and aroma, and that's it. You will have a good soup. That's the little bit there, the rice. So just boil them about 40 minutes. "25 minutes kills the germs." See, I'm zooming a little bit and go back to normal. I'm just taking care of my stomach. I got a stomach problem. So I ate all these things, little bit healthy. I see rice there are getting softer. Chicken need to be so tender. The broccoli are starting to smash. Cauliflower there. So it's only 3 vegetables there. cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Then you see the rice and the chicken thighs. I chop them into cubes. Then the bones, I include the bone. No turmeric today. I got still turmeric, but I want it like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We are nearly there. I got already 2,000 views. We need more 2,000 hours views. And I have already 1,790 subscribers. So we need only the views.